those when I was 16.
Man, I didn't even have a bicycle when I was 16.
15.
He's barely old enough to have his license. I actually think this is his license test right here. You guys give it up for Perris. This boy is young and he's got tons of energy. He's been driving this or at least driving in front of people for a year.
This is a family racing operation.
That's right.
The entire Swanson family. There's the kid. Young Eric. Right here in the front.
Man, that bad boy is loud. Yes.
140 cubic inches. Supercharged on this one.
Trying to pull a wheelie out of that. He won. It's a cycle. Stealing his daddy's moves. I wonder if he can do it with no hands yet.
Now you know he wants to be top.
Yellow flag is up. Our flags work just like a stoplight does. Green means go. Yellow means get ready to stop. Red means you are done so. Here we go, Seth. What you got, man? Little young Thundercat?
Got it up on the back wheels.
Took him a couple steps, but he finally got the wheelie he was looking for. Make some
Yeah, those in
noise.
$10.
Make some noise for Seth.
Yeah.
Oh, he gonna get out. He gonna say hello. He wants to say hello to the audience.
15 years old. Eric Swanson.
Ladies, check him out. Check him out, ladies. He's single. Give it up, you guys, for Eric Swanson and Obsessed. What's up, judges? What we think? Oh, 8 and 7.
Oh, it's a neutral.
A 9.
Oh.
One more. 8, 7, 9. 7, 8, 9. 7. 2, 7.
Oh, he's got.
2, 7.
Oh, he takes it.